Hello everyone, welcome to the another very important session for your upcoming CSIR NET exam. So as we are having very less time remaining before the exam now, we will be revising some of the very important tricks in this session today. So if you are new on this channel and you have not watched the previous videos till now, this session will be helping you a lot. Or even if you have watched the previous videos, this video can help you to revise those tricks so that you will be able to relate them in the questions in upcoming exam and you will be able to work on those questions in very less time. So let's start the discussion, but before that, if you want to get the guidance by the top educators on Unacademy Plus, so in that case you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription or Unacademy Iconic subscription, as both are available on Unacademy Learning app. But depending on which one you find more beneficial for you, you can take that subscription. Another thing is, if you will be taking the Plus subscription, you can get these benefits. If you will be taking the Iconic subscription, you will be getting these benefits. So you can just have a look at these two, the Plus or the Iconic subscription, which one you want to take. And whenever you will proceed further to take the subscription, what are the steps you have to take? Let me just tell you about that. So first of all, you can download the Unacademy Learning app. Second thing, you can just select the goal, for example CSIR UGC NET. After that, you can proceed further whether you want to take the Iconic or the Plus subscription. You can select that, and then when you will proceed further, you will be getting a place to write the referral code, or before that you will have to select the duration for how much time you want to take the subscription. For example, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months or 24 months, and depending on for how much duration you are taking the subscription, you will be able to see the amount corresponding to that there. And then you will get a place to write the referral code. There you can write either Anjali A Live as mentioned here on the screen, or Anjali Arora as mentioned here on the screen. Both are correct, but at a time you can just use one referral code, so any one of these ones you can use and apply. Now let's start the discussion about the most important tricks which we will be covering and discussing in this video today. Now guys, if I'm gonna talk about the first one, I will be discussing it from the mathematical physics part, and the trick is related to the let's say the contour integration. So in that case, if any time we will have the contour integration given to us, that is integration 0 to infinity dz upon 1 plus z to the power n. So if it is the form of the contour integration question, so in that case what you have to do, where n will be the positive integer you can say, or in this case what you have to do, or n will be greater than 1. Clear? So this condition should get satisfied and then you can go with the trick. In this case, you can directly write your answer with this expression, that is pi by n cosec pi by n. That's it. You don't need to work on the steps, for example to find the poles, then to find the residue corresponding to those poles, and then to just relate with the Cauchy's residue theorem. So you don't need to do all that. You just need to write this expression as per the given form, and then you will be getting the answer. So pi by n cosec pi by n. This is very important form. Okay, so if you were not familiar with it till now, you can just prepare it, as there are great chances that you can have the question based on this one in your upcoming exam. Now let's talk about the another trick. So randomly, one by one, we are going to take the tricks in this video today, and even in my previous videos I have provided the tricks related to different subjects. So if you want to check out those separate videos, you can even have a look at the previous videos I have uploaded. And if you just want to revise the tricks, or you just want to know about any of these tricks, you can have a look at these tricks right now in this video. Now after this one guys, let's talk about the another one. For example, if you are going to have any of the let's say the complex number, like a expression given to you for the complex function, like x plus iota y plus 3 to the power 7, and then you are going to have 2x plus iota y minus 5 to the power 4. So this is the expression given to you. Now you want to check out whether this is the analytic function or not. In that case, how you can check it out quickly in just few seconds. So if there is the presence of just the complex number, that is z, which is equal to x plus iota y, in that case it will be analytic function. But in this case, if there is gonna be the presence of only real part of z anywhere, or any other thing, for example complex conjugate of z, or you are having the negative power of z, So in that case, the function will not be analytic. The overall expression given to you will not be analytic. But if there you are just having the positive integer power of z given to you, positive integer power of z given to you, done, for the complete expression, and there is no extra term, there is nothing else related to the complex number z, in that case the function is analytic. Otherwise it's not analytic function. So just by looking at the form, you can get to know about this thing, whether the function is analytic or not. The positive integer power of z is there, the function is analytic, otherwise it's not. So that was the another trick we are gonna have. Now let's talk about the another one. Again, let's do one thing. We are just gonna talk about the mathematical physics tricks in this video today, and in upcoming videos we will be talking about the other tricks too. Okay, so now let's talk about the third one, which is related to the matrix part. If we are going to have the, let's say, the elements of a matrix given to us in such a way that the rows of like there are rows and columns, the elements in the rows and the columns of the matrix, that is a square matrix, given to us in such a way that I'm going to write one example: 1 2 3 2 4 6 3 6 9. You can have a look at this matrix. So you can see that the rows, the elements of the rows and the columns of this matrix are the scalar multiple of a particular row as well as a particular column. You can see the second column, if you are just going to check out, you will be finding it by multiplying one row. For rows, for one row, if you will multiply it with the scalar number, you are just going to get that. At the same time, if you will check out the column, you are getting the rest of the columns if you are multiplying with some of the scalars. So if you are having any square matrix given to you in such a way that the rows and the columns of the given square matrix are the scalar multiple of a particular row and the particular column, both should get satisfied. In that case, the eigenvalues of the matrix will be equal to the trace comma 0 comma 0. Now what I mean by the trace, so if you don't know about it, it's just the sum of the principal diagonal element. And what is the principal diagonal? Principal diagonal is the diagonal which starts from the first element of the given square matrix. So from here, so this is the diagonal. Now what are the elements we are having here? 1 4 and 9. Just add them, you are going to have these eigenvalues. So only one non-zero eigenvalue will be there, that's the trace, and the others will be 0 0 0. So 14 comma 0 comma 0 will be your answer. So this is how you can find the eigenvalues for any of such kind of a square matrix given to you. I hope guys it will be clear to all of you till now the discussion we have done. In the same way, we will be having the discussion, we will do the discussion about the many other tricks related to the different subjects. So you can watch the other upcoming videos on this channel as well. And if you are new on this channel, then you can subscribe the channel as well by clicking on the subscribe written below this video, and then click on the bell icon so that you will get the notification for the new videos which I will upload on the channel. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. In case if you will have any questions, any queries, anything you want to ask, you can comment about that. We will try to answer that too. And guys, if you think you want to attend the more regular live classes of the well structured and the well planned courses by the top educators, then you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription or Unacademy Iconic subscription, and whenever you will take the subscription, you can use and apply the referral code either Anjali A Live as mentioned here on the screen or Anjali Arora. Both are correct, but at a time you can just use one referral code. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. Thank you.